Code, Gayatri. So okay, just open any browser and just you write Windows Code download. Okay, VS Code download for Windows. Visual Studio Code, VS Code download. What are okay for Windows 10 or 11, no problem. After click on this, we'll get this link. So just click on this link, and here Windows 10 and 11 is there now. That one you need to check. That one you need to click on. Okay. So Windows 10 or 11 is there. That one you need to click. After clicking, what is happening? So automatically this download will be get started. Okay. After that, we'll wait for a minute. So those who are listening, okay, as I told you, this is the regular sessions. So everyone install the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So Ahmed, okay, next Deepti, so Vinita, Neha, so Sushmita, Usha, and Anjali. These following people, if possible, download. Otherwise, if you're not able to download tomorrow, once you come to offline, okay. So again, I repeat, go to the Chrome and you write Visual Studio Code or VS Code with the shortcut VS Code download. If you click on enter, the first link will come. You click on the first link. After that, Windows 10 or 11, this one you need to click on. After that, it will get downloaded. Okay. So as I told you, how will the classes will be held? Simultaneously, theory and practicals will be discussed. So this is the regular session. How to listen the class? First, we need to maintain theoretical notes, one notes, either in Notepad, otherwise in your notes, anything. So second one, you need to get ready with your laptops. Okay. In these two ways, you need to do it. Either you have to execute, we have to write the theoretical notes and laptop. So each topic I will explain 2 times. First time you need to listen. Okay. Second time you can execute in the theoretical notes. After executing the theoretical notes, again I will execute in the laptop. While I'm executing in the laptop, just listen for the first time. Second time, when I give time, you also execute along with me like this. If anyone get any errors, you will able to solve at that point of time only. So today, what we are discussing today and as well as tomorrow, the sessions will be again repeated, okay, on Monday. Why? Because to get habituated 1 or 2 days, okay, like that we will move on. Fine. So everyone, I hope everyone is able to install this. After installing, see, as you are going to develop different kinds of web applications, so must and should you need to have a good system knowledge. Okay. After that, we'll get an interface like this. Just to click on the I accept the agreement. Click on the next. If you want desktop icon, take it. And this one also click on the next, install, like that you continue. And it will be get started installing. Okay. Let it be installed to you. So I'm canceling. After installing, then so do you have VS Code, Rahul, previously? I think Rahul and it is in progress. Okay.
Sorry, sir, what you asked?
So do you have VS Code?
So you asked us to install, right, earlier?
Yes.
Yes, then I have installed.
Okay, fine. Okay, we'll complete this installation. Why? Because second time it is getting stuck to me.
So what is the use of that VS Code Studio?
So as you move to the next step, so it was disconnected. Okay, fine. Okay, no? So as I told you, the course what we are going to discuss is full stack web development. What are the theoretical points we discussed yesterday? I will send to you. And today, as I told you, we are going to start front end. In the front end, these are the technologies we are going to be discussed. Okay. So what is meant by front end, Gayatri? 1 minute, 1 second, we'll revise. Okay. Slowly, often people come.
Sir, yesterday there was a class.
So just introduction class only, that one.
Yesterday, sir, because I have not joined yesterday. I
Yesterday,
didn't
yesterday we don't have any class.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine.
Okay. So front end. So front end we can call it as an user interface UI. Okay. Where the users can see and interact. So is it trained in your place also, Rahul? Is it trained in your place?
Sir, sorry.
So okay, in your place is it okay? There is any rain?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So you are from Maharashtra, Rahul?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. So actually it was rained a bit in Hyderabad. Okay, fine. So front end again, just 2 minutes we'll revise. Why? Because some new people will came here and there, they didn't listen. Just 1 or 2 days only. Slowly we'll keep all the people in the track. Well, because we need to manage 25 students and 30 students. Just it's the matter of 1 or 2 days only. Because you have deal with 45 students, even one batch 80 students also there have deal, no problem. Okay. So it is user interface where the users can see and interact with the application and interact with the web application. This one you can call it as a front end. And front end, so my dear aspirants, you can slowly note down technical points. If you're able to remember, no problem. Otherwise, you can note down visible part of the website. If I open any website, what are the visible part you are seeing? That is known as the front end. This is the thing. Visible part of the website, you can call it as a front end. So here, if I open here Amazon, if I open here the Amazon, whatever the visible part I am seeing in the website, this one you can known as the front end. And in these websites, we are having the back end also, and application logic, how this application has been running. All these things we are not able to see. If I know the application logic of the Flipkart, I can easily hack it. Okay, so that application logic will not be get revealed here. Application logic and database is there. So if I want to change the cost of this product, the refrigerator is there now. I want to change the cost of the product due to offers 20,000, 25,000. Who is doing? Backend team. Can I interact and I can directly change? I cannot change. So suppose here we are having 20 products. The users, the backend team, they can change to 10 products also, but I cannot change. That is backend. Okay. So front end means where the users can see, I can interact. Visual part of the website, we can call it as an front end. If you see this website, if I click on, some action has been happening. So what I can do, I can interact with this website. If I click on the add cart, what will happen? This product will be added into the cart. Okay? So I repeat again. So front end we can call it as a visual part of the website. మన ఏదైనా వెబ్సైట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మన కళ్ళకి ఏదైతే కనబడుతుందో దాన్ని ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్. ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ కాకుండా మనకి బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. సో సపోజ్ మనకి I want to buy a mobile, so which cost of 50,000. Can I change the price? I cannot change. Who can change? Back end team, database team will be changed it to 40K. I want to write any application logic. Those who are having the credit card or SBA credit card, for them 10% discount will be. Who is writing this? Who is handling? So back end. So developers, Python developers, they are handling this logic. Who are handling this database and all these things? Sorry, who is handling this cost and who is storing all this product? Data back end team. Back end we cannot see as we cannot interact also. Coming to the front end, if you open any website, visual part of the website, we can call it as a front end. So front end, okay, where the users can see and as well as you can interact. Front end, we can call it as a client side. It is a technical word. Back end, we can call it as a server side. If you get a front end developer, your responsibility is to create websites. To create the websites. To create the websites, in the website, what can you create?
So mainly we can create what are the designs you are seeing in the websites, and what are the logos, designs, what are the logos we are seeing, and what are the structure content you are seeing in the website. It will be created by these front-end developers only. If I open Amazon, what are the designs you are able to see it here? What are the designs, the logos? The designing part anta front-end developers only. There is very less coding. Coding అనేది చాలా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ లో. ఈ కోడింగ్ అనేది ఏంటంటే ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ కోడింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. సో ఇక్కడ మన బటన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, మనకు తెలుసు ఈజీగా మనకి ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి ఏంటి అనేది. మనకేంటి బటన్స్, 2 బటన్స్ ఉంటాయి ఎప్పుడు కూడా. ఒక బటన్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది, ఒక బటన్ ఏమో డిక్రీజ్. ద టైప్ ఆఫ్ లాజిక్ ఈజీలీ యూ క్యాన్ గెట్. వై? బికాస్ దిస్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ వెబ్సైట్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ యూజ్డ్ ఇట్ మెనీ టైమ్స్. You are all familiar how to add this product to cart, how to buy this product, how to place the order, all these things you know. Okay, that type of applications only are going to create in later time also. Okay, fine. The point is that so everyone understand about the front end. In that first technology what you are going to discuss is HTML. Okay, HTML it is abbreviated as hypertext markup language. So after listening the class, if you don't practice also no problem. As I told you, simultaneously all these activities will be implemented. Theoretical notes in the class itself will execute along with me. Okay, why? Because in your batch we are having some real-time employees, so housewives will also join. They won't have much time to practice. So that's the reason simultaneously everything we'll discuss in the class. Even the class timings, if it is continue for 1.5 hour, 2 hour also, everything in the class only. Okay, we don't give any homeworks, we don't give any assignments. That assignments also everything we'll discuss in the class. That exams, what are the system tests, MCQ exams, what are the projects, everything we'll do in the class itself. We don't give any homework. Okay, fine. Okay, now what is meant by hypertext? It is abbreviated as hypertext markup language. What is HTML, Gayatri? What is the abbreviation for HTML? చెప్పండి అబ్రివేషన్ ఫర్ HTML. చెప్పరా మీరు? ఓకే అంజలి, వాట్ ఈస్ అబ్రివేషన్ ఫర్ HTML?
A text containing multiple links is known as hypertext.
Oh, hypertext, excellent. I think she has listened yesterday. Good one. Fine. HTML is abbreviated as hypertext markup language abbreviation. So now in that what is meant by hypertext, we'll see. Hypertext means a text containing multiple links. Okay, a text containing multiple links, we can call it as a hypertext. While you are writing, so while read it and write, రాసి చదువుకుంటూ రాయండి, అప్పుడే అర్థమైపోవాలి. Okay, hypertext means a text containing multiple links. That one we can call it as a hyperlinks. This is the thing. A text containing multiple links, we can call it as a hypertext. So neatly note down, a text containing multiple links, we can call it as an hyperlinks. So don't worry, even the batch size is high. So I'm very familiar with dealing these kinds of 15 to 30 batches. Even highest and 70, 80. Even we teach to Malareddy people also, college also there, university 80, 90 people will stay. So even in the 80, 90 people also within 20 days, I able to remember all that nearly 70 to 80 people names. 70% people names I remember. So I can easily remember you. Okay. So if any requirement also came, suppose if any requirement also came for the front end, I can easily know who is enrolled for only front end. For them, I can easily remember. So like that, no problem. It will take me just 1 week time, okay, to understand about you, what's your knowledge, how you are understanding. According to that, we can plan. Fine. So you came here that you must be in a position to clear any kinds of technical interviews. So for that, if you want anything, we are going to provide. Okay, it's fine. So that point only remember. So at the end, what I am learning this course, it must be helpful to me to get a job. Or for the students, it must be helpful to me in the BTech. Why? Because in the college level, what they teach, you won't understand. Okay, and most people will have the backlogs also. If you learn this course here itself, at the time of 2nd year and 3rd year, we'll start applying for the internship in remote internship you can apply. For the college student, second and third year itself, they'll easily get 1 year internship experience. At the time of the fourth year, easily they will get a good job in the top MNC. Why? Because now the students are very advanced level. When you are studying in 2014 and 2015 at the time, when we discussed, we don't have these institutions at that time. We have, but mostly we don't have this online education at that time. Mobiles also very less only. Phone Pay, Google Pay also not there at that time. 2016, 17 we have Phone Pay. లేదు కదా? We don't have. So have you used any keypad mobiles, Gayatri? చూడలేదా అలాంటివి? Okay, fine. మీరు చూడలేదా? Okay, fine. So like that, that generation is different. Now what is happening? You see, in my batch, next batch, 6 p.m. one student is there. Name something is there. She is teaching students, 6th class students in Bangalore. Okay, she is the teacher. She is learning Python in our institution. 6th class students Python has been added in their academics. Okay, that is CBSE syllabus, I think so. 6th class students. అలా మన యూఎస్ లో కూడా అంతే 4th class 5th class స్టూడెంట్స్. సో పైథాన్ అనేది వాళ్ళకి మ్యాండేటరీ సబ్జెక్ట్ అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఆల్ బీటెక్ లో ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని బ్రాంచెస్, ఈవెన్ మెకానికల్ అండ్ సివిల్ ఆల్సో దే ఆర్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ పైథాన్. ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్ పట్టింది మనకి బీటెక్ లో ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయడానికి. వాళ్ళు 5th class 6th class లో దే ఆర్ ఇంక్లూడెడ్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఎలా అయిపోయారంటే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇప్పుడు మ్యాక్సిమం మనకు వచ్చే వాళ్ళు 10th స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా ఉంటారు. ఇందాక ఒక సీన్ వన్ కాల్ 12th పీపుల్ విల్ బి బీటెక్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్. ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళకి ఆ థాట్ ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే మ్యాక్సిమం బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ పేరెంట్స్, వాళ్ళ సర్కిల్లో ఎవరు ఉండేవాళ్ళు వాళ్ళు వెళ్సారు మ్యాక్సిమం, లేకపోతే వాళ్ళు టాలెంట్ అయినా ఉండొచ్చు వాళ్ళు. సో అంత హై లెవెల్లో ఉంటారు స్టూడెంట్స్. వై? బికాజ్ ఇఫ్ దే గెట్ గుడ్ ర్యాంక్ వచ్చేసి వాళ్ళు ఇఫ్ యూ గాట్ IIIT NITస్లో వచ్చినాయి అనుకోండి, అక్కడ కూడా హై లెవెల్ టీచింగ్ ఉంటుంది. అది గ్రాప్ చేయాలంటే దే మస్ట్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఎట్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్. హియర్ ఇట్ విల్ బి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ టు దెమ్. ఓకే, సో వన్ స్టూడెంట్ ఈస్ దేర్. She got the package, fresher student, she got the package more than me 4 years back. Okay, not 4, 3 years back. She got at that time starting only, she got 18 LP. Oh, 1 year experience on the one, not fresher, 3 years back. So that like that. So IIT people like that, they will get salary. Very excellent like that. So it will be very useful to you.